Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Lab with Anna and Leo.
Hi everyone, I'm Leo, and I'm excited to learn some new English today.
Great! Today's topic is technology and phones, things we use every single day.
Yes, I use my phone all the time for messages, photos, and videos.
Me too. And that's why this topic is perfect for daily English practice.
So we'll learn words about phones, computers, and the internet?
Exactly. We'll learn vocabulary, useful phrases, and short dialogues you can use in real life. Let's begin with basic technology words. Repeat after me, listeners. Phone,
Phone,
computer,
computer,
laptop,
laptop,
tablet,
tablet,
internet,
internet,
Wi-Fi,
Wi-Fi,
headphones,
headphones,
charger,
charger,
cable.
cable.
Great! Now let's use these in sentences.
I use my phone to call my friends.
I use my computer to work and study.
I use my laptop to watch movies.
I use my tablets to read books.
I use the internet every day.
I need the Wi-Fi password, please.
I listen to music with my headphones.
My charger's broken.
I need a new cable for my phone.
Excellent. Now let's talk about common actions with technology. The verbs are turn on, turn off, charge, send, call, text, scroll, and download.
Let's repeat. Turn on, turn off, charge, send, call, text, scroll, download.
Perfect. Now we'll use them in short sentences.
I turn on my phone in the morning.
I turn off my laptop at night.
I charge my phone before going out.
I send messages to my friends.
I call my mom every day.
I text my coworkers about work.
I scroll through social media before bed.
I download new apps and music.
Wow, these are super common in my life.
Exactly. Technology vocabulary is part of daily English. Now let's learn some app and internet words. Repeat after me. App, message, photo, video, social media, notification, password, account, email, storage.
App, message, photo, video, social media, notification, password, account, email, storage.
Great. Let's use them in sentences. I have many apps on my phone.
I got a new message from my friend.
I took a beautiful photo of the sunset.
I watched a funny video on YouTube.
I use social media every day.
I have too many notifications on my phone.
Don't forget your password.
I made a new account for my email.
I check my email every morning.
My phone says, not enough storage.
That happens to me too. Too many photos and videos.
Yes, I always forget to delete old pictures.
Now, let's do a short real-life dialogue using these words. Hey, Leo, do you use social media every day?
Yes, I use Instagram and YouTube a lot.
Do you post photos or videos?
Yes, I post photos. I like sharing travel pictures.
Nice. How many apps do you have on your phone?
Maybe 30 or 40. Too many.
Wow. Do you get many notifications?
Yes, all the time. My phone never stops vibrating.
That's so funny. You should turn off some notifications.
You're right. I need some peace and quiet.
Great job. Now let's practice common problems with phones. Repeat after me. Low battery, no signal, slow internet, broken screen, forgot password, no storage, cracked phone, app not working.
Low battery, no signal, slow internet, broken screen, forgot password, no storage, cracked phone, app not working.
Perfect. Let's make some examples.
My phone has low battery.
I have no signal in this area.
The internet is slow today.
My screen is broken again.
I forgot my password for my email.
My phone says no storage available.
I dropped my phone and now it's cracked.
This app is not working. I need to restart my phone.
Wow, that sounds like my daily life.
Yes, we all have these problems sometimes. Leo, do you use your phone a lot during the day?
Yes, I do. I use it from the moment I wake up until I go to sleep. Maybe too much.
That's true for many people. What's the first thing you do on your phone in the morning?
I usually check my messages and then scroll on social media for a few minutes.
Do you check your email too?
Sometimes, yes, especially if I'm waiting for something important.
That's good. But do you ever feel like your phone takes too much of your time?
Oh, definitely. Sometimes I realize I've been on my phone for an hour without noticing.
That happens to everyone. It's called doom scrolling. It means reading or scrolling too much on your phone without a purpose.
Doom scrolling? I didn't know that word.
Yes, it's a fun but real term. Many people do it before bed. Do you use your phone at night too?
I do. I watch videos or check the news before sleeping.
That's common, but studies say using your phone before bed can make it harder to sleep.
Really? Why?
Because of the blue light from the screen, it can confuse your brain and stop the production of melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep.
Wow. I didn't know that. Maybe I should stop using my phone before bed.
That's a great idea. Try reading a book or listening to calm music instead.
I'll try. But Anna, my phone is also my alarm clock.
That's okay. You can still use it as an alarm. Just avoid checking apps before sleeping.
Good point. I'll put it on airplane mode before bed.
Perfect. That way, you won't get notifications during the night.
Anna, do you use your phone for work too?
Yes, a lot. I use it for emails, messages, and online meetings.
Same here. I also use it to learn English.
That's great, Leo. There are many apps that can help with language learning.
Exactly. I use one for vocabulary practice every morning.
Excellent habit. Using your phone to learn is a positive way to use technology.
Do you think phones make life better or worse?
That's a big question. I think both. Phones are useful, but too much screen time can be bad for our health and social life.
I agree. Sometimes people are together, but everyone is just looking at their phones.
Yes, that's sad. We need balance. Use technology, but don't let it control us.
True. I try to put my phone away during dinner.
That's a great habit, Leo. Family time or dinner time should be phone-free moments.
You're right. But sometimes it's hard when messages keep coming.
I know. You can turn off notifications or use Do Not Disturb mode.
Oh, yes. I've seen that option. I should try it.
It really helps. You can even set a schedule for it.
Anna, can I ask something? What does airplane mode mean exactly?
Sure. Airplane mode is when your phone turns off all wireless signals, no internet, no calls, no texts. It's useful in flights or when you need focus.
Got it. So if I put my phone on airplane mode, I can still use apps without internet, right?
Exactly. You can read saved articles, play offline games, or check your gallery.
Speaking of gallery, I have thousands of pictures. My phone storage is always full.
That's common. Do you back up your photos?
I don't always. What's backup?
Backup means saving your data in another place, like the cloud or an external drive, so you don't lose it.
Oh, I see. I should do that. I'd be sad if I lost all my pictures.
Yes, photos are memories. Always good to keep them safe.
What about you, Anna? Do you use social media a lot?
Not really. I try to limit my time there.
Me too. I like it, but sometimes it feels like a waste of time.
That's true. Social media can be great for learning and connecting, but it can also distract us.
Yeah. I try to follow English pages or watch educational videos now.
That's perfect. You're using social media to improve yourself.
Thanks, Sana. You always motivate me to learn more.
You're doing great, Leo. I can see your English improving every episode.
Thank you. Talking like this really helps.
That's the goal. Real English, real situations.
Can we talk about texting next? I always get confused with abbreviations.
Sure, let's talk about that. People often use short forms like LOL, OMG, or BRB.
Haha, yes. I know LOL means laugh out loud. What about BRB?
It means be right back. For example, if you're chatting and need to leave for a minute, you can type BRB.
Oh, that's easy. And OMG means oh my god, right?
Exactly. There's also BTW, by the way, and IDK, I don't know.
Nice. I see those all the time online.
Great! These abbreviations make chatting faster and more natural.
I like learning them. It makes me feel more confident when texting my English friends.
That's awesome. Just remember not to use them in formal emails.
Right, only in casual chats. Got it.
Perfect. You're learning fast. Do you prefer calling or texting, Leo?
I usually prefer texting. I feel more comfortable writing than speaking.
Many learners feel the same, but speaking helps build confidence too.
True. Maybe I should make more calls in English.
That's a great challenge. Start small. Maybe order food or ask simple questions on the phone.
I'll try that.
So, Leo, we already talked about texting and social media. Now let's talk about mobile apps. What are your favorite apps?
I'd say my favorites are YouTube, WhatsApp, and Spotify. I use them every day.
Nice. What do you usually watch on YouTube?
I like watching English learning videos, travel vlogs, and sometimes funny videos to relax.
That's a great combination. You're learning and having fun at the same time.
Exactly. I try to watch English videos with subtitles to learn new words.
That's smart. Watching content in English is one of the best ways to improve listening skills.
I agree. Sometimes I even repeat what I hear, like shadowing.
Excellent technique. Shadowing helps with pronunciation and rhythm.
Yeah, it really helps me sound more natural.
What about WhatsApp? How often do you use it?
Every day, many times. I use it to talk to my family, friends, and coworkers.
Same here. It's the most popular app in many countries.
True. I also have a group chat with friends where we only send memes.
That sounds fun. But do you ever feel tired of all the notifications?
Oh, yes, all the time. Sometimes I mute the group for a few hours.
Good idea. It's important to control the phone, not let the phone control us.
That's true. And Spotify. I can't live without music.
Me neither. What kind of music do you listen to?
I like pop, rock, and sometimes classical when I need to focus.
That's great. You can also use music to practice English, listening to lyrics and singing along.
I do that. I try to understand the words and repeat them.
That's an excellent exercise. Music makes learning fun.
Anna, do you ever feel that phones make people less social?
Sometimes, yes, people spend more time looking at screens than talking face to face.
I agree. It's strange when you're at a restaurant and everyone is on their phone.
Yes, it happens a lot. We need to be more present.
I try to put my phone down when I'm with friends.
That's a good habit, Leo. Technology is amazing, but balance is key.
Exactly. I also think it's important to protect our privacy online.
That's a very good point. Do you know what privacy settings are?
Not really. Can you explain?
Sure. Privacy settings are options that control who can see your information online.
Oh, like who can see my photos or status?
Yes, you can decide if only your friends, everyone, or no one can see certain things.
That's useful. I'll check my settings later.
Great idea. Another tip is to use strong passwords.
Yes, I heard that, but I always forget my passwords.
That happens to everyone. You can use a password manager to help.
Good idea. I'll look for one.
Also, never share personal information with strangers online.
Of course, that can be dangerous.
Exactly. Stay safe while using the internet.
Anna, sometimes I get messages saying, you won a prize, or click this link. Are those real?
Usually, no. Those are scams or spam messages.
Ah, I see. So I should never click them?
Exactly. Just delete them or block the sender.
Got it. Thanks for the warning.
You're welcome. Now, let's talk about something positive. How we can use phones to improve English.
Oh, yes, I love that topic.
You can use apps like Duolingo, Memrise, or even YouTube to study vocabulary and grammar.
I use YouTube a lot, as you know, but I haven't tried Memrise.
It's fun. It uses repetition and small games to help you remember words.
Sounds great. I'll download it later.
Also, listening to podcasts in English helps a lot.
Like this one.
Exactly. You can listen while cooking, cleaning, or walking.
True, that's a great way to learn without stress.
You can also record yourself speaking English to practice pronunciation.
Oh, I never tried that. But it makes sense. I can listen and hear my mistakes.
Yes, it helps you sound more confident.
Anna, I feel that technology makes learning easier than before.
Absolutely. Years ago, students had to buy many books. Now you can learn with your phone anywhere.
That's amazing. I even practice English while I'm on the bus.
That's great use of time, Leo. Every minute counts.
Do you think one day we'll have robots teaching English?
Maybe. Technology is moving fast, but I think real human connection is still very important.
Yes, I agree. Robots can help, but talking to a real person feels better.
Exactly. Communication is about emotion, tone, and connection.
Speaking of connection, I sometimes have bad internet and can't hear people in calls.
That's frustrating. When that happens, you can say phrases like, "Can you hear me?" or "You're cutting out."
Oh, that's useful. And if I lose connection completely?
You can send a message, "Sorry, my internet dropped. I'll call you back."
Perfect. I'll remember that.
Excellent. So, Leo, after this talk, what's one thing you'll do differently with your phone?
I'll try not to use it before bed and put it on airplane mode at night.
Wonderful choice. You'll sleep better for sure.
And I'll also start recording myself speaking English every day.
That's fantastic, Leo. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Anna. You make learning fun and practical.
That's my goal, to make English part of your daily life.
Mission accomplished. Now every time I use my phone, I'll think in English.
That's the best result ever. Keep going, Leo.
I will. Thanks for another great conversation, Anna.
You're welcome. And to everyone listening, keep practicing, keep learning, and use technology wisely.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone.